Hello, welcome to the We Are Searching YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your birthday on Facebook app step by step. First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Go to your profile option under the menu caption. Tap on the option of See About Your Info. Then scroll down. Here you see the title of Basic Info. As you can see, under this title, there is gender and birthday information. Tap the Edit section. There are 3 options here about your birthday information, such as day, month, and year. You can choose who you want to see your birthday information by clicking on the marked sections. After you completed your adjustments for this section, you can save the changes you want to make by tapping on the Save button at the top right of the page. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment, and click the bell for new videos.